Assalamu alaikum viewer. The delicate art of crochet. With just a hook and some yarn, you can create truly magical things. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of crochet baby frocks. From simple and sweet to elaborate and elegant, there's design to capture every heart. First up, the classic pinafore dress, simple yet stylish. This timeless design is perfect for everyday wear. Its airy, open style keeps little ones cool and comfortable. For a touch of whimsy, consider a flower adorned frock. Delicate blooms, big and small, can be crocheted and attached to create a truly enchanting look. Imagine a field of daisy dancing across a soft pink dress. Pure sweetness. Feeling adventurous? Why not try a textured masterpiece? Experiment with different stitches like bubble, popcorn, and shell to add dimension and enrich. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget the hooded wonder. Perfect for chilly days. This cozy design keeps the little head warm and snug. Add playful ears or a cute little tail for extra charm. Remember, the beauty of crochet lies in its versatility. Choose colors that spark joy and don't be afraid to experiment with different yarns and textures. Most importantly, let creativity flow and have fun. These adorable crochet baby frocks are more than just clothing. They are a labor of love, a tangible expression of warmth and affection. So grab your hook and yarn and let your imagination bloom. I hope so you liked and enjoyed all these design and ideas. If you do so, hit the like button of the video and do subscribe my channel for more interesting ideas like these. Till then, take care of yourself and must remember me in your prayers. I will see you in my next upcoming videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.